Okay, so quick video. I was having a fuel pump problem with my car starting, and then we diagnosed that was the fuel pump. See if it's a fuel pump. When you turn your car like that, pump is located in the Mercedes. You should be able to hear it hum for a second. Phone came out. I'll edit, do whatever I gotta do, but you should be able to hear your fuel pump hum. Here, this is your fuel pump. I drive a C280 Mercedes. All right, just gonna edit this shit in. But so you got your fuel pump on this side, and then you got the fuel filter on this side. It runs underneath like this, and then it'll go in here. You can take the seat off. The seat is just, my car is pretty. I drive a C280, so it has this. It unclips, and then there's a bolt in here. Whatever. So what ended up happening is we replaced the fuel pump, and it drove for like a week, and then something happened. Well, I didn't know what happened. Now I know, obviously. I'm gonna show you what happened. So what I ended up diagnosing was that it was the fuel pump relay. Fuel pump relay looks like this. This is the old one. You can see it's some corrosion and stuff like that in there. Right? Here's how you tell that your fuel pump relay is bad. Well, one easy way to see if this one is bad is if you have one that's just like this on your car. You can swap them out, and then whatever you just swapped it out with isn't going to work for the time being, but it's an easy way to just test if this is what's wrong, instead of having to buy this. This is like $30. In the long run, $30 ain't shit compared to what they was trying to charge me to go get my car worked on. Not at the dealer, at a shop. You know what I'm saying? Once again, it's a C280 Mercedes. So I'm going to show you where the fuel pump relay is located. I'm on my jammies, just doing this real quick. All right, so you go to your trunk, take this off. I don't really like using this, but it's here. Yeah, so you can just snatch this off. All right, so here's the fuel pump relay. Once again, I'm gonna put the diagram so you can just figure out what all these Jones are. I don't really remember all of them. And then this is the fuel pump fuse. So you can snatch this out, and as long as it isn't burnt, then you know it's not that. Just make sure you put the things back in the right one. I couldn't figure out why my cigarette lighter wasn't working in the back. It's because I didn't put this 15 fuse back in the right spot. If you see there was like a little corrosion right here, it's because I had put it back there. And so make another video, I guess, with this part for if your cigarette lighter doesn't work in a C280 in the back, this is the fuse right here. All right. So I'm gonna put this shit back on. So what you do, once again, you just would snatch this one out just to test it, and then you could replace it with, if you have another one like this, you know, then test it with that. If not, then just pay the $30. That ain't shit compared to what they're gonna charge you to figure that little shit out. All right, I'm done.